Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'm going to be applying some tape and extensions. This will be my first time doing it. You guys know I am an amateur. I am no licensed cosmetologist. If you're someone who struggles with doing things yourself at home, I strongly recommend going to a shop to have tape and extensions installed. But I will be showing you guys my take on this. This will be my first time, and the extensions I'll be using are from the brand Lovrio, and I picked up 2 packs from Amazon, even though they do also have a website you can purchase them from. But I wanted to go ahead and get the 2-day Amazon Prime shipping. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what you will receive in your box once you order these tape and extensions. Once you open the box, this is what it looks like. You get a clip. You get the extension itself, and I bought my extensions in 18 inches and 16 inches as well. You also get these little tabs. I'm not too sure what these are, you guys. This is my first time. And then you also get a pamphlet. You have some stuff on here. I didn't read it. I'm not gonna read it. And you also get a comb, which is so freaking nice. You get everything that you pretty much need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So these are the tape and extensions I picked up. These are in the color B2/6. And I bought 16 inches and 18 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. On the back, it says how you can take care of them, but it doesn't really tell you how to apply them. So I hope this video will be very accurate. I hope it's on point. I hope it's almost like applying clip-in extensions. We'll just be showing you guys. It's not like I'm gonna be talking through this video. And you have to keep in mind that I'm doing this myself. So please don't go too hard on your girl in the comment section. Again, not licensed, no cosmetologist, just an amateur doing this at home like most of you guys are if you're clicking on this video. This is what the hair looks like outside of the packaging. As you guys can see, it is definitely off of my real hair color, but hopefully it will work. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take one of these pieces and apply it to another piece with your hair in between. So you're making a sandwich with the tape and extensions with your real hair in between. So let's just go ahead and jump right in.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
go. Now taking my cheese straighteners, I'm just gonna go ahead and clamp those together. Right where the glue meets.
through
You guys, so far so good. I know the accuracy with my parts have not been the best, but again, you guys, this is my first time doing it and I'm doing it by myself, not using any additional mirrors besides the one that's in front of me, so I can't really check my parts. I'm really just going off of feel, and I really enjoy using the comb to apply them because it's almost like a guide. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to finish up. I have alternated between the 18 inches and the 16 inches just so that it gives the hair some dimension, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep alternating. I do want some long pieces around this area, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to use the 16 inches, and then once I get to the front, I'll go ahead and use the 18 again.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.